Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. These vending machine business ideas are so profitable that you'll wonder why you didn't start one sooner. Did you know that vending machines generate over $7 billion in annual revenue in the US alone? Stick around to discover how you can tap into this lucrative market with some creative and highly profitable ideas. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for unique ways to generate passive income, a vending machine business could be your perfect side hustle or full-time venture. Today, we're diving into some innovative vending machine business ideas that could bring you more profit than you ever imagined. So, let's explore some viral vending machine business ideas that can really make waves and get those dollar bills rolling in. Before continuing the video, let's introduce you to Bezzy. Bezzy is a professional formation service company to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review of Bezzy is also given in the description box down below. Now, let's be real. Starting any business comes with its challenges, and vending machines are no exception. One of the biggest hurdles for new entrepreneurs is finding the right location. You can have the coolest machine with the trendiest snacks, but if it's tucked away in a corner where no one can see it, it won't sell a thing. Plus, keeping the machine stocked and maintained can be a hassle, especially if you've got multiple machines in different locations. And let's not forget about competition. Standing out in a sea of traditional vending machines can be tough. But don't worry, we've got some awesome ideas that will help you tackle these challenges head-on. Alright, let's get into the fun part, the unique vending machine ideas that can make your business pop. First up, how about a vending machine that sells fresh, healthy meals? With the growing trend of healthy eating, a machine offering salads, wraps, or even smoothies can attract health-conscious customers. Another idea is a vending machine for tech gadgets. Imagine a machine stocked with phone chargers, headphones, or even small electronics. It's convenient for those on the go and can really stand out. And don't forget about niche products. Whether it's a vending machine for local artisan snacks or one that sells beauty products, the more unique, the better. These ideas can really set you apart and draw in customers who are looking for something different. Now, let's talk about the showstopper. One of the most innovative vending machine ideas that have taken the industry by storm is the automated coffee vending machine. These machines not only brew fresh coffee on the spot but also allow customers to customize their drinks just like they would at a coffee shop. They've seen huge success in offices, schools, and even busy city streets. People love the convenience, and it's a great way to tap into the coffee culture that's booming everywhere. If you can find a way to bring this concept to your area, you might just hit the jackpot. So, to wrap it all up, we've discussed the incredible potential of starting a vending machine business. From tackling challenges like location and maintenance to exploring unique ideas like healthy meal machines and tech gadgets, there's a lot of room for creativity and innovation. And who could forget the success of automated coffee machines? The vending machine industry is ripe for new ideas, and with the right approach, you could be the next big success story. Before you go, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite vending machine idea from today's video? Or do you have other cool ideas you want to share? Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Bezzy, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now, let me just show you what types of services Bezzy provides to business owners. After arriving on their website, you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Nonprofit. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249. And this is the package I highly recommend with filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553. It also comes with operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, BZ is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, they ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. BZ is providing registered agent service free for 1 year. And after that, it's $119 per year. BZ is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. Then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the BZ dashboard, if you go to Legal and then Licenses and Permits, they can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, BZ will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles. And there you have it. Remember, every great business starts with a great plan, and the effort you put in now will pay off in the long run. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in more entrepreneurship tips and tricks, don't forget to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.